Artoonza.
Stop the bus! I just tried to draw a school bus with a bottle cap. And yes, I painted it with nail polish. Who needs boring crayons when you've got glitter tires, pink warning lights, and a vacuum that eats sparkles for breakfast? This ride is shiny, silly, and totally fabulous. Hop on, because this school bus is taking us straight to Fun Town. Seatbelts on, this school bus makes extra stops for sparkles. Warning, excessive cuteness may cause spontaneous happy dances. Give us your like.
Aww, so cute.
My vacuum's not naughty, it's just glitter hungry. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Blue. Warning, this school bus runs on glitter fuel only. No gas, just sparkle! Window so cool and blue, this bus just ordered a slushie. Color, color, color. Don't be shy, color high. This is so amazing. Give us a big thumbs up.
Aww, so cute.
Pink polish check. Okay, now we're officially fabulous. Warning lights? More like fashion lights. This bus is runway ready! Rolling on sparkle tires. Even Cinderella's carriage is jealous. Oh, look at this tiny school bus. It's like a baby bus going to art class. Yellow like sunshine or caution tape. Either way, we're getting dangerously fabulous. Cover the evidence with glitter. Shh. The brightest yellow ever. This school bus could outshine the actual sun. This little school bus is ready to carry all the colors of happiness. Smash that like button now. Color, color, color.
Wow!
This is so amazing. I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.